Sketchup versus Planner 5D, which is better design tool in 2025. Sketchup versus Planner 5D in 2025 is the battle between two fundamentally different philosophies in design software. SketchUp is the long reigning favorite of architects, engineers, and 3D modeling professionals, offering precision control, plugins, extensibility, and deep for real-world construction-grade planning. While Planner 5D brings slick, beginner-friendly interface aimed at casual users, interior decorators, and design hobbyists who want drag and drop simplicity without the learning curve. And if you are trying to decide which one is better for your needs this year, it all comes down to how deep you want to go and how much realism, accuracy, and technical flexibility you require. SketchUp, now under Trimble, remains a powerhouse for professional modeling. Once you open the software, you're greeted with fully customizable 3D workspace, measurement-based modeling tools, and access to the massive 3D warehouse for importing models of furniture, materials, fixtures, and even terrain maps. Meanwhile, Planner 5D opens the simpler visual UI with floor plan and 3D tagging that works beautifully on tablets and browsers, allowing even complete beginners to build multi-story interiors in minutes using pre-made objects. SketchUp supports SKP, DWG, DXF, 3DS, and more. Ideal for professionals working with AutoCAD or Revit integrations, while Planning 5D supports basic 2D or 3D exports, but not industrial file types, which limits its utility for construction for engineering guide work. Where Planner 5D shines is speed. If you want to mock up a living room layout with couches, lighting, flooring, and color scheme, you can do that in 10 minutes flat using its 5,000 plus object library. But if you want to draw, rotate, measures, and texture a building with architectural precision, then SketchUp is non-negotiable, especially with layout for documentation and V-Ray for rendering. On mobile, Planner 5D dominates. Its iPad and Android apps are award-winning, gesture-optimized, and perfect for client or designers working on the go. While SketchUp Mobile Viewer is more for presenting models created on desktop. Pricing also varies wildly. SketchUp Pro plan starts at $349 a year, while Planning 5D offers premium with $9.99 per month or $59.99 per year for catalog access. If you are a student or small business owner, Planner 5D might offer the lowest barrier to entry. In terms of rendering quality, SketchUp integrates with V-Ray and Inkscape, producing photorealistic shadows, materials, and lighting. Planner 5D has AI rendering features too, but the realism is more stylistic than architectural. SketchUp also offers advanced features like geolocation for site analysis, section cuts, sandbox tools for terrain modeling, and real-time collaboration via Trimble Connect, none of which are available in Planner 5D. However, Planner 5D added AI-assisted layout suggestions and AR preview in 2025, which makes it very popular among interior decorators and real estate agents for staging. If you are building a career in design or architecture, SketchUp is the better long-term investment. It's versatile, industry accepted, and constantly expanding its ecosystem. Now, let's go even deeper into user workflow and learning curve in SketchUp. Modeling starts with lines, shapes, and precise measurements, so even drawing a basic floor plans requires understanding, access, snapping, and push-pull mechanics, which might feel overwhelming at first, but gives you total control over geometry. In contrast, Planner 5D starts you with auto-snapping room shapes, drag-and-drop objects, and instantly viewable 3D toggles, meaning you can have a complete layouts visualized in less than 30 minutes without knowing anything about CAD or BIM standards. However, the trade-off is that Planner 5D isn't built for technical drawings. There's no true layering system, no native dimensioning tools, no real recalability for city planning, MAP modeling, or complex rope systems, all of which SketchUp handles natively or via extensions. And speaking of extensions, SketchUp has one of the largest plugins ecosystems in the industry, allowing users to install custom tools like 100,001 bit tools for walls and strays, Fredo06 tools for advanced modeling, and even live physics simulation plugins for experimental structure, while Flanner's is too. Planner 5D ecosystem is more closed, relying primarily on internal updates and library expansions. That said, Planner 5D built-in furniture catalog and designs templates save massive time for homeowners, content creators, and real estate agents who just need polished visual fast. When it comes to community support, SketchUp has a massive global user-based forums, courses, tutorials, and even university-level certifications program, while Planner 5D support's base is more niche, consisting mostly of DIY enthusiasts, hobbyist designers, and influencers using it for virtual staging or quick mood boards. If you want to grow into an advanced industry-level designers and learning through modeling principles, SketchUp is your launchpad. But if you're a homeowner, interior stylist, social content creator, or someone who just wants to visualize a beautiful space fast, Planner 5D delivers amazing results with almost no frictions. The final verdict? Both tools are powerful in 2025, but they are solving different problems for different people. So pick the one that doesn't just impress with pictures, but empowers you to create the kind of designs you actually need in the way your brain prefers to work. And that's it.